Hey guys, thank you for tuning in. So today we're going to be working on the Camry once again. We're going to be installing this carbon fiber shifter. That's how it looks. This is nice, super clean. It came really secure, wrapped. Well, let's go to the Camry and let's install this beauty. All right, let's get it. Alright guys, so what you're gonna do when you're installing this thing right here in the gear, this leather thing, you're gonna push it down slowly, and then over here on this side has a little clip. You're gonna use a screwdriver. What you're gonna do is just grab it slowly and pull it out.
You can still lift up your hands even if it's just one on the wheel.
There you go. So that's the pin that holds the knob. And you're just gonna pull it up, right up, like just like that. Get rid of this this black one. All right, and then we're gonna install the carbon fiber one. She's gonna push it in just like this until you hear a little crack. That means this one went in. So you're gonna put it there, and then after that you're gonna grab the pin. You're gonna put it back in where it was, right in here. Right in here. Just push it in. There you go. And that's it, guys. You put it back in shift and you push up the leather, and you're pretty much done, guys. Alright guys, have a blessed day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.